I'm pretty excited to share about Eddie's story because not only did he buy his first home, but also he took on the big task of remodeling it. You'll hear about some of his challenges being a first-time home buyer and get some money-saving tips on his remodeling. And also in the comment section, put down how much you think he spent on his remodeling job. Take a look. So all the lights are
automated, yeah. Just because, well, you know how like I was thinking about getting like Philips Hue bulbs,
but they're expensive.
But it's like $25 per bulb.
Yeah, yeah.
So I decided to get the Lutron Cassetta, like so it.
So it all hooks up into one system.
Yeah, so it all hooks up to like these the light switch itself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this whole.
So you basically just got the Lutron system and then just wired it in, basically.
Right.
It's much
and
better.
it looks really nice. And I read.
It's like clean, right?
Yeah, it's pretty clean. I read the reviews. It's like pretty durable. Actually, I chose the contemporary ash gray flooring, just because it makes the place brighter.
So what was it that made you change back, or like, okay, well, let's work with Gary, let's give him a try, sort of thing?
I think it's because you Gary, you know the area very well. You have that insights of what to look for. We're in a similar age group that you know how important it is to invest in real estate and how to build wealth in our age right now. And with your insight, because I bought this house at $592. Right now at Redfin is showing that it went up by like $100K already.
Yeah.
It's sitting here. So as like a millennial, I think I was like, okay, why would I need an agent, right? Because I can see everything on Redfin. I can just look at houses myself. I can just walk up to the seller's agent and just like put an offer with them.
Yeah.
This process, I think it changed my whole perspective that having a buyer's agent is not only a good thing, and it's actually the best decision I've ever made because
really, okay,
because of Gary. Because,
that's good to hear.
Right, Gary, like you represent me. You do, advocate for what I wanted, but at the same time, like we needed like a buyer's agent that knows the area really well, that knows the potential of how things are trajecting. I think the right neighborhood for me to grow like my wealth and like have a livelihood.
Did you not feel those conversations with the seller's agents?
I don't think so. Like the seller agents just want to sell that specific house.
That's
versus,
right, huh?
Yeah. Versus you were like looking like, okay, let's look at 3 different houses that like different price points.
Yeah.
But you were like, okay, but I recommend this one because I see potential. I know the area really well. I specialize in this area, and this house could actually go, could actually trajectorily can go up higher than other areas and then other houses.
I like this. Look at this. I have to show you like a before picture. This actually worked out really well, right? Because like we were afraid that the counter was lined up here before,
right,
and then this would be too high, obstructing the window. It actually works perfectly fine. It doesn't need any like adjustments or anything.
The one tip that I have is that you can buy these knobs like easily at Amazon.
Okay.
They're like $1 each. Versus if you're at Home Depot, it easily costs like $3 per like these knobs.
Yeah.
So it's easier to buy at Amazon.
So you opened up this right here, which is really cool because right here before there's like a whole like cabinets, brown cabinets, right?
Brown nasty cabinets.
Yeah. The natural light coming in through here.
Yeah, because back then it felt like very it felt really squished. Like I feel that the ceiling was pretty low.
Yeah. I felt like when you were looking at the house at that point, you were like almost like hesitant to buy it. You're like, no, I don't really like this place.
Yeah. Because as a first home buyer, it's really hard because like I set aside my down payment, right? But then at the same time, it's like, okay, I'm gonna. I want to put down 20% just because I don't want to pay extra for the PMI. And it's like, okay, once I put down the 20% down payment, like how much money do I have left for remodeling? Not much. So I was like a little bit hesitant of like buying an older house, less updated house, just because I felt at that time I don't have enough money to do all these remodeling. I want the audience to guess later, like how much this costs
all together. And we're gonna go over all the items, so just go ahead and like keep inventory.
I changed up the range hood.
Okay.
Yeah, because it used to be like a microwave range hood. It doesn't
that's
have much
right,
suction.
You bought the Chinese version. Actually,
Yeah.
that works better.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it has like an oil collector here. So the Chinese ones have like an oil collector.
Right.
And
right.
it sucks up it has a more powerful fan, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Because you know what, Gary? Like I was shopping for range hood. I wasn't looking for like a Chinese range hood. But then at the same time, I was looking at Home Depot and comparing the like different brands like GE, Whirlpool, things like that.
Yeah.
The General American brand.
Yeah.
But their CFMs are like the CFM is like a
It's a CFM.
CFM is like a measurement of how much
suction
that they can have.
Yeah.
So they're around like 200, 300, and it costs like around like $500 for like a range hood. But then for the Chinese ones, this is like I think it's around like 800. So it's like, and it's only like 300 something. So it's like you get more for the money that you're putting in.
I love this large sink right here, like this industrial.
Yeah,
looking
so
one.
this is like the farmhouse apron sink.
Nice.
Because it kind of like drips around the edge.
I wanted to ask you, like, for your home buying process, because I met you at one house.
Yes.
And then it kind of like shifted. Like, I remember I met you at Country Club in St. Gabriel, right?
Yes.
That house was $1.8 million.
Right.
You were thinking of moving in with your parents at that point and buying a bigger house, selling.
I was thinking like maybe we can all move together.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And then with my savings and everything,
Yeah.
I think we have enough money for like a one big like multi-generational home.
Yeah.
But since the pandemic, I learned that maybe that's a bad idea.
So that was the direction then you moved towards having your own space. Now you were looking at a lot of different areas. Now I think that's for a lot of my clients, they don't know exactly where to buy and what to do. Like, because you were looking LA and like all over the place, right?
Yeah, as a millennial like myself, like we don't have like a specific like geographic restriction per se. So I was looking at like Torrance.
Oh wow, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, I mean like South Bay area,
Yeah.
Central LA, you know, Highland Park, Echo Park, all the hip, like the more up and coming areas.
Silver Lake.
I feel like having a strong school district, even though I don't have kids right now, but then down the line, when families are shopping for homes, and even like having an area with a better school district, I feel like it would just hold my real estate. Okay, so this is like, so when we bought the house, remember, Gary?
Yeah.
Like it was quirky. Where like you have to go from one room to get into another room.
So we'll show you. This is the one room that you're coming in, and then it goes into the next. Oh, I see what you did.
Yeah. So
that is so smart, actually.
Yeah, so what I did was like I wanted a modern feel, so I made it more of like a loft living type of space.
Yeah.
So
that
like
is so smart.
Well, you gave me the idea too, like you know, either the bedroom here or an office there. And so I decided to just have the office here.
That's really smart.
Yeah.
So before, like, it was actually just one door right here, just a regular size door right here.
Right, regular. Originally, I was gonna like take down the whole entire wall and just make it one like loft space. But then this is a low bearing wall. They can only take it up to here. So,
Okay.
And I thought,
But I think it looks good, actually.
It looks better. Actually.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how.
Cause like, and then you could have like an office space right here, because or else you'd put your desk there, and it actually wouldn't look as cool.
It actually
It feels
a lot
good.
better.
Yeah.
I trusted your judgment, Gary. Like, it was
Thank you.
Thank you for you know.
I kind of pushed you to buy this one because I was
you know
like,
what, it was encouraging.
Yeah, there you go.
Because then from your experience, like
Yeah.
this house is pretty like it has potential, and I didn't see it until because you have the experience of seeing like how things were changed. And I think your opinion was very helpful for me.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Yeah.
Yeah, some houses I look at and I'm like, there's no way, there's nothing we could do about this because it's just, there's too many complications and too many things. But this one, I actually really like this one, you know, like because this feels super nice also. You wake up, you open the door and you have like fresh air to the outside right here, right? And the AstroTurf was already installed, so it wasn't like you had to do anything extra here in
Yeah.
that sense.
Yeah.
So it looks like outside you just pretty much left as is, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I love it as you putting your expertise in your know-hows, and that's how I was able to close this house with confidence. Once you were like telling me, like explaining to me that like, okay, Eddie, like renovating should be done really economical.
Yeah.
And then start tearing things down. It should look better. I think you made that push, and then that's when I was sold.
Cool.